If you're wondering how to put the back seats flat on your BMW E92, this is a 2013 model, then we need to come over to the boot or the trunk. So this is a UK car. Open it up, and we have this one here for the right hand side and this one here for the left hand side. So they are split. You can see that that's 2/3 and that's 1/3. So if you just want the third, you will just do that, and that will release this side. And if you want that side there, you just do this. And if you want them both, you do both. Let's get into the back. And now you can just pull them down like so, and like that. And now you have a lot more space. When you come to push them back, just make sure they clip nicely into place. So give them a bit of a slam, like so. And now you can see that that's locked in. And the same with this one here. And that's locked in now as well. Thanks for watching.